In this video, I'll be talking about this new feature called one-to-one courses. As the name suggests, super useful feature if you're doing one-to-one teaching or tutoring. So I'll just click on add one-to-one course and add some basic details. First, I need to add the course name. Let's say these are piano classes. So I'll just say piano. I'll add the learner name. Let's say Bhaskar is the learner. If the learner is already there in my institute, I can just search and add the learner. I'll add the email ID. Let's say it's bhaskar@gmail.com. I'll add an instructor. Let's say Utkarsh is going to be taking these classes and MM is going to be the admin. So these are enough details that I need to set up this course. I can click on create. I'll come to these features later. So I'll click on create. You can see this is created. If I go back to 1:1 courses, you can see this 1:1 course by the name of Bhaskar piano classes is created. Now let's go inside it and explore other features. Now the first and most useful feature in 1:1 course is session credits. So session credits are just credits that are available to take the session. Currently, one credit would mean one session. So let's say there are 12 sessions that are supposed to happen there. So I'll say 12 credits are there and they were purchased by the parent on 12th December. Let me just add this as a note. So you can see 12 credits are added here. They were purchased on 12th December. So now what this means is that every time a session is successfully conducted, a teacher marks a session completed, one credit would be consumed. So the day 12 sessions happen, these credits will become 0. And if you turn this setting on, then the learner can continue to take sessions after that. Or if this setting is disabled, what that means is the moment 12 credits are consumed, the learner will not be able to take the session, and you'll be notified that you need to sell more credits or add more credits here. Similarly, there is fees. If you're collecting fees here, you can add fees here as well. I can add multiple installments. So let's say there's just first installment here. So I'll just say 1,000 rupees, and this is due on joining. Like this is just due immediately. Let me just say after 0 days of joining. And done. You can see it's due immediately, 1,000 rupees supposed to pay. Now let's say the parent has already paid. That's what they purchased this credits for. So I can just say mark as paid. So you can see that this is marked as paid. If they're paying on the platform, you can obviously send them the link and they could use that link to pay. I can add multiple installments, future installments here as well, so that we can keep a track of all the fees that we are supposed to collect. And similarly, we can, once the sessions get exhausted, you can add more session credits, you can remove more session credits, and everything else with regard to the academic part remains the same. You go back to the timeline, your scheduled sessions, assessment, test, everything remains as it is. So I hope you find this feature useful, and thank you for your time.